This is a problem of arrangement and it is of moderate difficulty level. There are 7 coconut trees in Bhagwan's garden. Bhagwan has named these trees as Amitabh, Ritik, Chunky. They live Fardeen, Firoz, and Govinda. The trees are situated in a row in increasing order of their height, not necessarily in the given order, either from left to right or from right to left. So assume the trees are situated in ascending order of their height from left to right. It is also known that their heights in feet are 7 consecutive natural numbers between 1 and 10, both inclusive. Further, following clues are given about their positions and heights. First statement is Amitabh is 3 feet taller than Dilip. We can't do anything on the basis of this information. Now, come to the second statement. Ritik is situated in the middle of the row, which means Ritik is situated there. So, if we now use the info given in the statement first, we'll try to see where Amitabh can stand. If Amitabh is at the rightmost position, then Dilip, who is 3 feet shorter than Amitabh, will have to be at fourth position from the left, which is not possible, which means Amitabh cannot be at rightmost position. When Amitabh is at second rightmost position, then Ritik can be third position, sorry, Dilip can be third position from the left. And when Amitabh is at third position from right, then Dilip can be at second position from the left. Now Amitabh cannot be at any other position, because in that case there would not be any place for Dilip. So Amitabh is either at sixth position or at fifth position from the left. So there are two possible cases. Consider the first case when Amitabh is at second rightmost position. Now come to the third statement. It is saying absolute difference between height of Ritik and Firoz, who is shorter, which means Firoz is shorter than Ritik, is equal to the absolute difference between the height of Dilip and Chunky, who is taller between the two. Dilip is taller, sorry, Chunky is taller between Dilip and Chunky. So this is also known, and we know that Dilip is 3 feet shorter than Amitabh. If Amitabh has second rightmost position, Dilip has to be at third position from the left. Now Dilip is there, and it is also known that Firoz is shorter than Ritik. So there are two possibilities for Firoz. Either it could be the leftmost position. When Firoz is at leftmost position, then the difference between the height of Firoz and Ritik will be 3, and to achieve this, Chunky should be at 7th position. if Firoz is at first position, that is the absolute difference between the height of Firoz and Ritik is 3, and to achieve this, Chunky has to be the second rightmost position, which is not possible. Therefore, Firoz is situated at the second position from left, and in that case, Chunky will be the third rightmost tree. Now, in statement 4, it is given that Firoz is shorter than Govinda, which means Govinda is at rightmost position. Therefore, Fardeen is at leftmost position. This is the first case. Consider the second case when Amitabh is at fifth position, then Dilip will be at second leftmost position. Now again see the situations for Firoz. Firoz now could be either at leftmost position or the third position from the left. When Firoz is at the third most position, then the absolute difference between Firoz and height of Firoz and that of Ritik will be 3, and to achieve this, Chunky has to be at third rightmost position, which is not possible as Amitabh is already there. And in the second case, when Firoz is at the third position from the left, then the absolute difference between the height of Ritik and that of Firoz will be 1, and to achieve this, Chunky has to be at the leftmost position, which is again not possible. Therefore, the second case is not possible when Amitabh is at third rightmost position. So the final arrangement is this. Come to the questions. In first question, it is asking the absolute difference between the height of Fardeen and Ritik, which is 3, is the same as the absolute difference between the height of Dilip, and second person has to be Amitabh, as the absolute difference between the height of Amitabh and Dilip is 3. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Come to the second question. The absolute difference between the heights in inches of Govinda and Dilip. Govinda is at the rightmost position and Dilip is at the third position from the left. Irrespective of their height, their position will ensure that the absolute difference between their height will remain 4 irrespective of their individual heights. So the absolute difference between their heights will be 4 into 12, as we know that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So the required answer is 48 inches, which is option C. In the next question, we have to find the greatest possible value of the height of Amitabh is greater than the least possible value of the height of Firoz. The Amitabh is at second rightmost position, and we know that the height of these 7 trees are 7 consecutive natural numbers between 1 to 10, both inclusive. So the highest value of height of Amitabh can be 9, and the least value of the height of Firoz, who is at second leftmost position, will be 2. So the absolute difference between these two numbers will be 7. Hence the required answer is C. In the last question, we have to find What is the average of possible heights of Dilip? We know that Dilip is at fourth position, so the height of Dilip can be fourth. Instead of fourth position, Dilip is at the third position, so the height of Dilip can be 3 feet 4, 5, 6, not beyond that, because there are 4 persons to the right of Dilip. So the possible values that height of Dilip can assume are 3, 4, 5 and 6. Therefore the average of these 4 numbers will be 4.5. Hence option C is the correct answer. That's all about this set.